Hello guys. So, in this tutorial, I will teach you how to make a Scratch, Sprite with ChatGPT. Now, you may be thinking, ChatGPT can't draw a Scratch Sprite, right? Like if I ask it, it's gonna say, yeah, see? It's not gonna say no, and it's just gonna give you a guide on how to draw it. But, using a secret method, it's not specifically made for drawing a thing, but you need the SVG drawer. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna wanna copy paste this and then paste it into the prompt. Next up, you're gonna wanna copy paste the second bit. And continue this with each of the files that the tutorial states to put. Then, on the final bit of code, and then you're done with that. Now, let's go ahead and ask it to draw. Now, let's say, now draw a cat. And it's gonna say echo E whatever. But if we copy paste all of the code, except for the quotation marks, of course. Oh, and like the echo at the beginning. The echo E at the beginning. Now, I usually use this website. But, if you have a specific program on your computer, then I'm sure that, you can use it on your computer too. Then you're going to want to copy and paste the code into the website. It looks interesting, I will say. So, so you can download it. We're gonna go ahead and save this to files, and then you can go to costume, and then we're gonna import the costume and go to choose files, and if we open this, as you can see, okay, for some reason it's black. I don't understand exactly what happened there, but anyways, as you can see, we have a fully functioning thing, so we're just gonna color it a little. Yeah. As you can see, we have a Scratch Sprite drawn by ChatGPT. And this also works with DeepAI, which you can do the same tutorial even with DeepAI. It's not any different from doing it with ChatGPT. So, bye guys.